Does I'm crazy or someone else also can relate? I do a lot of projects at the same time, and actually I'm actively doing them without just stopping. Yeah, here a lot of abandoned projects, so it's might to be something like blanket or yeah, whatever. I didn't know what to do with it. That's why I stopped. Here, as you remember, it was our pixel deer, and yeah, I just stopped. And here, a lot of flowers. They're really cute, but I really don't know where to use them. Oh, I really enjoyed it. And what I'm actively doing right now, I'm really obsessed with this white yarn, obsessed with this bag. It would be bag, I hope, as well. Currently, I'm doing this kind of bag, actually just sewing today's zip. Oh, yeah, here we are. And really wanted to share with you. And another one is this skirt. It's first time I'm doing something for myself. Really enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying as well. And here also a lot of yarn. I just buy them. They just cute. They really cute. And I want to do something like sweater with them. Hope you will enjoy it as well. And also I buy this yarn. They also cute, and I want to do another sweater, summer sweater. I hope it will look really cool, because you see here it's white inside and purple outside. It would be really cool, really nice. Sorry, flowers, I really enjoy. They're so cute, so cute. I hope I'm not crazy and you just the same, at least enjoyed the same as I. And also I bought a lot of this yarn, and I want to do another sweater. It's a lot of sweater going on. And here it's for bag, and you see this kind of yarn. Oh, I really obsessed. Here one more. Don't know what to do. I just bought and just without idea what to do. Hope I'm not crazy. I really hope.